In the past, I was getting only maybe 200 to 300 kwacha per month, but right now I can get 1,000 and above because I have a bicycle that I use to take my products to the market, my milk to the market. So I have a lot of money and my life has changed.
The things we take for granted in the urban areas in town are really a struggle in the villages, you know. So it's one of those where it kept on probing my heart to say, what can I do to try and bridge this gap between the haves and the have-nots? When we're arriving with a car, they start running to the car. You know, they surround the car. Then, you know, they are chanting, they are singing. It's just amazing. And then you realize what a bicycle can do. It's a lifesaver for somebody in the rural area, and it's a catalyst for unlocking so much potential.